Get ready for the next battle.
Yun nga. Yung mga extra decks ko, mapipilitan yung bigyan natin.
Kaya ako lang umulog eh.
Rawan.
At most lang 4, para hindi predictable lineup mo. At least may variance ka game to game. Pero 4 lang.
Iba-ibang na-shoot yung sa akin, kaya nakakahilip.
Ay, sorry.
Sige.
Black boy, you're man. Just kidding. Guard.
Okay.
Guard. Like, dakong lawan.
Papatay niya si Black Boy.
Natan ba ba yun?
Ayaw magkapas. Oh, the feels! The feels!
Okay.
16.
Okay.
Uy! Go. So much draw! These people!
Should I? Tapos ko yan. Papasa na.
Tapos na. Vanilla na lang siya. Nag-G3 na ako eh.
Siya, blah blah blah. Ito yung superior color.
Yan yung Superior Legion.
Superior Legion.
Pang-rape color.
Oh, nice.
Fuck the break ride. It never worked for me against people.
Siya na. Medyo mabagal ang process.
No problem. No! Don't kill it! Ano mo sa stride?
Hindi ka na pala.
Oo.
Wait lang. That changes things.
Such a good guy.
I know, right?
I'll probably die for this, but you know, I'm such a good guy. Ihuhuli ko to. Pag ano nakalo ko dito pakamatay. Drop the plan leader.
Dahil lang huli na sinabi mo.
Ha? Yeah.
Tapos ginamit mo yung nasa likod, nilak niya si Blas mo. Tapos hinigop ni Amnesty. Patay ulit si Blas.
Oy!
Madami na.
Ay, kung sabi.
Instant position.
Retire.
Kaya nga nag-ikumpal pala nung testing ko sa online. Sabi ko, kumpal pala, base pala magpalakas dito. Pero yun nga lang, sabi ko, GB1 ako kailangan lagi GB2 ako kailangan mag-start. William, na-testing ko pala kayo sprayer na kalaban ko. Walang gawa sa akin. Pero yun nga lang, mahal ng deck. Nagagamitin ko.
That's fine.
Power of it.
Learn. Sa pag-learn, sir.
Ay,
31.
31. Zero solid.
Yep.
Sino ka?
Ano? Fix. Finish ka. Fix.
Okay.
Damage. Skill, draw 1. Rest 4. Plus 15 to 46.
Pwede naman.
Yep.
Alright.
The 6.
First, second, double, third. Go.
Pwede na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. Yan pala yung turn mo.
Kung ano ko sa dapat, dahil mo po kumain, ayaw pahiram ng kapatid ko eh. Sakat daw sa pride niya eh.
16 per turn.
Ito ako. Eds,
39.
may kinatalikot ako. Akala ko dumi. Design pala sa art.
Good power.
Ayaw. Papatay mo tayo.
First damage. Second damage. Shin.
Medyo... Pero naman ma.
Ow! Aoy!
Third damage.
much not on flipper PG? Why?
So, total ko ngayon ay 50.
Okay. So,
There's it. 56. 21.
4? Can I need you?
Tama.
No, it's not right.
15, 16, 26.
I literally will strike. Exo Tiger! Flip, there's the ship face up. Call this guy. This is 34, 39.
39.
Ay, decide you.
So much PG in handy. Drive check. Ay, drive check. You late? Were you also late? Even more late. Ha.
Eh,
Go. You love it, crazy.
tatawa ba? Ito binigyan ng record eh. Break, break.
Oh, damn!
What you do in there? At the end of the battle.
Pero action ba?
Auto.
So, tatayo siya 3 beses?
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Till that place.
Sige. Okay. Okay. Uy! Kaya. Tama.
Power.
Okay.
34.
Pag piniji ko, tatayo ko ba yan? Hindi.
Hindi na. Kailangan tumawag tawag. Cards na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hindi ko kailangan
So protected.
Oo!
Ako naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Dami!
Tapos, nabutama eh.
17!
Nakita mo ba effect nung nabutama?
Yeah.
Yung GR. Reduce to 2 yung ano.
22! Reduce to 3. Tapos
What damage yun?
Reduce to 4.
Madami.
Tapos dahil sa break strike, 2 na lang.
Buy 1 lang. Buy 2 ba? Buy 1 rear guard. Buy 1 rear guard. Buy 1 hand.
Isang isa. Dalawang kakainin. Ano ko? Pagkalala ko yun kasi on paper pa lang naman siya, hindi pa naman ano. Looks good on paper, pero actually, we are not sure yet.
Okay na yun?
1, 2, 3.
Okay lang ba? Wala.
Tama nga pala, sorry.
Good. Dahil ano? Down to 2.
Down to 3, di ba?
Down to 3.
So, meron pa.
Soul, 30.
Okay.
In soul, 36.
Okay. Tama na.
Hindi din.
Laurel. Ahong Laurel.
46. 100. Meron yan eh.
Hindi, I can't. Mahirap. Hindi.
Marami kang PG eh.
Cards na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, kaya paano pwede lang. So, 51. Ay, 51, 56. So, sige lang, 56.
Tutukas.
Yes.
Ayaw. 14.
Wow.
21.
Oh, ano
Ay, 16. 16.
Ano yung 16?
12 plus 4.
Oh.
Yeah. What? Go. What? You draw some more? What is wrong with you?
Ay, ako. Basta yun.
Oh my god, it's the Dota.
Real. Fuck.
Okay. Sayang ba?
7.
Count your blessings, wala pa sinihalin.
25.
Oh, I don't like that Italian.
Lumalaki.
Sige, mag-beer
I
na.
don't know.
Root of Flea.
Oy, grabe.
Mananap ka sorry last time. You can't say
Turn. Turn.
Grabe, iniisip din.
Plus.
Not cool.
Not cool ka dyan. Nasa 5 damage na ako. And I don't know kung may pang-matay pa ako.
36.
Ano rin? Unless I can retire the red one.
The what?
This one.
Ito?
5k 20. So, magkababa pa siya ng isang unit kung sino.
I live!
Power of the
Bali sila plus
Pasensya wala na ako sa so,
plus
26.
66.
26.
Okay.
No.
Better.
No good power.
Check mo talaga.
Check.
Yun, sasabihin talaga yung puri-puri yung sinabigyan.
26.
26. Heal. Buwa kaya ng
16. Skirt.
Nobody has seen my puri-puri, ingest na rin.
Ito. Swap. Then strike.
That's right.
Just racing angels.
36. No! No! 21.
So 1.
31.
Ah, meron pa rin! 41.
Wala.
Ay! Pasok ka!
Sabi ko pika yung guard eh.
Get ready for the next battle.
Swap.
Shit. Shit.
What is this hammer you speak of?
Draw one.
Are we seafood?
38.
Oh my god.
Are we engaged in maritime activities? What is this hammer you speak of?
No guard.
So plus 6 dagger.
Opa. Damage.
Swap. Plus 1.
Draw one.
So plus ulit. Multi-trigger siya ng
Not you. I don't want you.
more movement. So plus
Oh my
Plus 6 as
god. Oh my god. Here it comes.
39 to 24 na. 12 lang, 23 ako.
No guard.
So,
Boy, so much draw.
is
Damage. Ay, power dito, no?
33.
Damage muna. Power.
It's done. Should I?
Okay.
Bawal yun.
Pala. So, yung person na ba?
25.
Tupas.
Take pa rin. Stand and draw.
Everything right there!
Oh!
Nanalo sa tayo doon.
Oh! That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
This will break.
Seriously?
Sir, meron pa ba dyan bush outer?
Marami kasi pupunta doon eh. Tsaka kukunin ko yung kay Nazareno 25. Kukunin kay Nazareno eh. Second. All of
So
it.
this Saturday meron dito.
Ibig sa Sunday.
Skill draw one. Go.
Pero next Sunday, after.
Top draw!
Wala kang Sunday. Kailangan siya.
Sino? Mag-SML ka na Sunday? Loser. Ano skill ni Flash Boost?
On hit, one card from Soul, Miracle, one card from deck, plus 50.
Sige.
32.
Sige. I cannot. Said, I cannot. What happened?
Plus 5, 17.
Oh, 17. Guard.
Yes. 19.
Guard.
DSUs.
Yeah.
Ganun yun? Bakit siya bumalik? Oh! Okay. Draw ka. Stride!
Sige, huwag ka lang mag-double trip.
Oy! Oy! Power draw. Skill draw 2. Go.
Yung pinaka nakakatakot makita eh.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Boy, right.
Heal if you want to come out, better come out now. Oh shit, tatlo na.
Cards na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
4 damage, no? Bantay na bantay na.
Banday pala yan.
Okay.
Well,
24.
Oh, you have no cards in deck. Oh my god. Ito, ilan to pag matapos?
34.
34?
34.
34? 26.
So good. No. Too much.
34.
Glasses.
Oh damn, I'm so taking that power.
Yan.
Power.
Yan. Sabado ang sobra.
Oh! Agahan niya saan?
Hindi kasi baka wala rin ako ng sat. Ayun ko yung susi sa inyo.
Ah.
32.
16.
Ano lang? Chess. Asikusuin ko lang yung mga gamit na pwede pa may dagdag dito.
Ay, ay, ay. 34 ulit to, no? Ay, ay, ay. Ano?
Get ready for the next battle.
Ayaw.
Si ate pa daw niya yung legend deck. Mas muna natin makuha yung legend deck kasi sa Japan. Oo. Or sa iba.
Ano na, 1 box na tayo. Kasi anim na kami kuha eh.
Basta alam pa yung...
Dalawang sa tao.
Basta alam pa yung Fighters Collection, mauuna tayo.
Oh, critical!
Malapit na nga na synchronization with the stage. Kasi pwede mo siguro yun.
No, guard.
Gusto ko rin kasi
Damage. Power draw.
Sa Japan.
14. Yeah.
Stunning draw. Rear guard.
Ano?
Yeah. Right. Oh, shit. You put 10K in front of me.
Ha? What? Malagyan?
Oh, no.
Wait, may SP ka pa bang may SP kang PBO? Chester?
Lay. Ay, BTO 5 collection lang.
Hindi, yung nga, sa collection mo nga. Kasi may nagbebenta dito. Lahat ng BTO 5 na SPs, matcha.
BTO 3.
Okay, BTO 3. Si...
Transfer.
Kasi yung mga SP na lang, pakita mo. Masquerade, si Overlord, si Darkness Maiden Matcha, si Desperate Love, at si Darkness Maiden Lord. No? Kompleto ka na nun.
So what was this button?
Pag third attack siya, tapos pinahit mo, discard 1 or draw 2 ako.
Okay.
No hit. Rear guard.
Cardinal.
First check. Draw trigger. Second check. Third check.
Crash check.
Drop or I draw.
Drop your pants. Drop your pants.
Draw.
Wala ka lang mag-guard para Strike. Oh, strike the
Flash again.
Something. What if I strike her?
Boy.
26.
Let's go now.
Chester, kasi yung keycard na kailangan maging apat sa plastic.
23.
Vanguard.
Yeah. Yung keycard na kailangan maging apat sa plastic mo.
I'll just leave it here and I'll put it this way. So something happens. Oh no! Si D'Ambrosio! Ano eh? Ferdinand.
Into soul. Skill. 16. Counter plus 1, stand.
60. Uh,
11. So much draw. 26. Knockout. Heal, no good power. Second check. Third check. Skill. Skill. One hit skill. Drop 1 or draw 2. To 16. Draw 1. Drop 1 or I draw 2.
siya rin.
Winner unit eh.
Okay.
Ano siya, bali yung mangyayari sa akin, di ba kanya rin nakatelelock, pati yung nasa dito, yung mga sumusunod.
Go.
Okay, time to unload full combo.
Okay. Oh fuck.
Where's it?
24.
34. Where's it?
5. I do not like this game. 24 ulit.
24.
Big.
34.
Okay. No heal power. Why you heal now? You shit. You shit.
30.
You shit that one. You heal now. Oh my god. No guard.
Takat mo na.
Yes.
Great.
Heal is good.
Coward. Great. Power.
First check. Second check. Heal is good. Power.
34.
34 with 21. Ito ilan mo?
42.
21. May isa pa!
Very big number.
42. 42.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Boom! Boom! Full combo! 42 isa pa? Ay, ano ba? Double 42 yan, di ba?
Oh.
Ah! I don't like